What's going on, guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you the best Bitcoin app for 2020 and how to make the bacon. All right, so if you're looking to make money with crypto, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with this. So let's check it out. All right, so I've got Coinbase pulled up here, which is going to be my top recommendation for just about anybody out there that wants to get started in crypto. Now, I've been trading crypto for around like 6-ish years. I've been using Coinbase since I first started, and I'm still using it to this day. Now, as I'm going over, how this whole thing works, I'll have some resource links in the description and comments. For a course you can check out if you want to get good at making money with crypto, specifically straight from your phone, as well as some resource and sign up links for Coinbase. Okay, so I've got my account pulled up right here. I've got about 10,000 in it. I've had less at times, I've had more at times, but I kind of showed you a graph right there of how my account's growing, from like a couple thousand to like 10,000 in basically a year. Coinbase is awesome for a lot of different reasons. There's a bunch of different coins that you can trade on here. They've got 20 coins currently. They're always adding more too, so you can expect more to be added. But they've got the most popular coins on here, such as like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tezos, Chainlink. But I'm going to pull up Bitcoin here for just a second. So Bitcoin, the price of this has gone up pretty good, for the last year, but you can pull up different price charts on here very quickly. You can see I'm doing the 1 hour up until the 1 year, and then of course you've got the all price. Now you can also hover over to check the prices, for different days, which is cool. Then you've got the volume market cap, and then when you scroll down more, you've got a news feed. So each one of these coins on here has a news feed, so you can always be updated. You can actually set notifications straight to your phone, which is really cool. And then, of course, we've got, the pricing on here. You can pull up prices for different coins. You can do the 24-hour, the 1 week, and etc. Now, here's a coin that I currently own, XRP. I own a lot of this coin. I've got about, basically all my money in it right now. This coin is going for about 20 cents. Now, my thinking on this coin is I really hope it goes up, because if it does, I'll definitely be looking pretty good, especially if it just goes up to $1. I'd have about 50,000 here, which would be awesome. You can see the all-time high was about $3, but this is kind of a coin that I hope goes up, in the future. So, it's hard to say, but, if I had to put my money on it, which I have, I think this coin is definitely going to have a bright future, and I'm hoping it goes to $10, $20, $30 at one point, which would be freaking awesome. You know what I mean? I'd have a good amount of money on here. I've also thought about throwing some more money at it. Just haven't done that. I'm going to actually show you some of the best coins you can check out too, other than just talking about Bitcoin on here, because there are coins that you should look at if you want to get into this. So XRP is obviously one of them. Ethereum is another good coin. This is basically a coin that a lot of other coins run off of. It's kind of like a platform for them. It's like software, but you can see the price at one point for Ethereum was $1,500. It's at 200 right now, so I think that one's definitely got a good future. Another one on here is Chainlink, which is awesome. This was actually the most popular coin last year. It went up 500% or close to 500% in 1 year, which is pretty insane. So this is another good coin looking at if you're thinking about getting started with crypto. You can see the price points on this is pretty crazy. Obviously, I mean, going from going up so much in 1 year is always awesome. I think this one's also going to go up, continue to go up, going into the future, which is why I think you should check it out. Then the last coin I would recommend taking a look at would be the basic attention token. So also known as the BAT token. This is connected with the Brave browser, which has become more popular over the last couple of years. It's basically an advertising token, but I think that the way things are looking, it definitely has a bright future as well. Now, it's kind of been hammered. It's at 20 cents. Its all-time high was close to $1, but this is another one that I think definitely is going to go up in the future. And you can see I've owned it, I've traded it, I've had quite a bit of it at different times, and it's cool. But, Coinbase guys, honestly, they're safe, they're secure, they insure you on here, which is awesome. I'm going to show you an actual live trade here real quick, and then I'm going to talk about the app even more. So I'm going to go really in depth for everybody out there. So let's check that out. All right, so now I'm going to pull up Bitcoin, and I'm actually going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin pretty quickly on Coinbase. Now, Coinbase allows you to connect a debit card or a checking account very fast. I mean, you can literally get verified, same day as you sign up here. I've actively bought and sold Bitcoin quite a bit, though. I've flipped it, I've held it, I've made money with it. But I'm going to just buy a small portion of it here so you can kind of see how it works. It's pretty easy, though. So you would just click on your funding method. I think I'm just going to buy like $10 of it just to kind of show you how it works. So let's do that. Now, when you're ready to buy it, you just click the trade option, and then it's going to, have a little preview button. It's going to show you all of the details here, and then you would just confirm it. And now you would own your first ever bag of cryptocurrency. So this would be a big congratulations to you out there if you're just getting started here. Now, the cool thing here is you can also, obviously sell it if you make a quick profit. You can convert it to other coins on Coinbase, which is cool. Then if you want to buy anything online with Bitcoin, you can do that. They allow you to do that very easy, so you can send it to people. You can also receive Bitcoin on here as well. It's all very easy to do. It's very streamlined on here. The layout's easy. It's very user-friendly. And you can see I did it, pretty quickly. So now I want to get into, kind of the actual app. I want to just go over it a little bit here, but you can also do this with obviously any other coin on here. Bitcoin was just my example, but let's take a look at the Coinbase app. All right, so now we're going to be taking a look at the actual Coinbase app using an iPhone. Now, the platform looks exactly the same if you're using Android, so I just want to let you know that. And I also want to talk about 3 different ways that you can make money with cryptocurrency. So I wanted to end things on a good note here. Now, I'm going to pull up Bitcoin as an example in just a second. And we're going to talk about the 3 different trading strategies you can use, for trying to maximize profits when you're looking at buying any of these crypto coins. So the first one that I'm going to talk about here is going to be day trading crypto. Now, day trading, I'm definitely not for. I'm going to have to tell you I'm basically against it. So what you would do is, you would try to buy in at any point in the day and then try to sell later in the day, making, a few % gain. Now, you can see just based on the last day here, if you tried to day trade Bitcoin, you would have lost for the entire day. So that's why I don't recommend doing it. It's risky. It's very unpredictable. A better way to do this would be to do what's called swing trading. So swing trading is basically where you buy in, any one of these coins, and then you hold it for a week to a month to a few months. And this way, you're not stressed out, about having to buy and sell and check your account every single hour. But you can see if you bought in earlier about a month ago, you would have made about 28% or so. So if you had $100, you would have made $28. If you had $1,000, you'd have $1,280, after just holding it for a month, and then you could sell it. The last way you can make money is by long-term holding. That's where you hold for a year or more. Now, this does work, but sometimes it doesn't work. For Bitcoin, you would have made money if you held for a year. But I'll pull up a couple other examples here where this actually wouldn't have worked out. So long-term holding, it isn't a bad idea, but at the same time, I just want to let you know it doesn't always work out. So I've got XRP pulled up here, which I'm currently holding, but you can see that it's tanked for the last year. Which isn't exactly a good thing for me because I'm holding a lot of it, but I'm just kind of hoping that this coin goes up, pretty big eventually. I'm looking at the long term here where I'm holding it for at least, 2 to 5 years. But I would have lost if I held this for a year. Now I'll do one more example here of the BAT token. Now, if you would have held this one for a month, you'd be making some money. So it'd be a nice swing trade. But if you held it for a year, you're basically screwed on this coin as well. So, basically, you guys, the 3 different ways you can make money. You can day trade, which I don't recommend doing. Swing trading, I do that all the time to make money with crypto. And then, of course, you've got the long-term holding. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want to get started here, I'll have some resource links, a crypto course, free way to get some Bitcoin and some other cool stuff in the description and comments. Also, if you guys could smash the like button. Thanks for watching this one, and we'll see ya in the next one.